This is a weekend trip, and this time this is with my family. And none other, this is a local visit, somewhere very close to my residence, but approximately close to 100 kilometers. A quick hangout with my family. The place is Bonolata Resort and Joyrambati and Kamarpukur. A mixture of pilgrimage and pleasure together in one place. So guys, I'll quickly hop into the car, and yeah, the journey to Bonolata, Kamarpukur and Joyrambati continues. So I will quickly hop in, and yes, this is an interesting weekend trip with my family, guys. Guys, I'm in the midst of the nature. This is the Jaipur forest, and I'm in middle of it. This is an area where elephants actually cross these roads, and typically dense forest, and you can see on both sides thick jungle, and suddenly an elephant can come up. It is that area, and on my way to Joyrambati, this is the Jaipur forest for you guys.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back.
Guys, finally I've reached Joyrambati. The parking has been done, and yeah, on the way to the mandir. So yeah, we'll move to the Joyrambati premises of the mandir. So guys, finally this is Joyrambati where I have reached. This is the place where this is the birthplace of Sharodama, also referred to as the Holy Mother, the Sri Sri Matri Mandir. The temple is right now closed. The timings are from 8:30 to 11 o'clock in the morning, and after it reopens at 3 p.m. till 5:30 in the evening. So what is the significance of this place? All of you have heard about Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission. So Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission, so she is actually the wife of Ramakrishna Paramhansa, and from Joyrambati I will move to Kamarpukur. There is delicious lunch that is usually organized as prasada. But unfortunately, because of the pandemic, this is cancelled. So I'll have a look of the mandir. So right now I'm in front of the temple pond of the Joyrambati temple. So I don't need to give much description. Just imagine that there's a police station being constructed within the premises of the temple. So just imagine what is the dedication and the attraction of the devotees who actually visit to this place. Actually, the Shri Shri Mata Mandir which is constructed, there is a statue, there is an idol of Mata Sharada in that temple. But because the temple is closed right now, I cannot move in. But see the campus, I can show you the campus. It starts from there and it goes all the way, including the temple. So that is the area that covers, and that is the importance of this mandir to the devotees who actually come in numbers during all the festive seasons which actually happens over here. So guys, this is finally, I am at Kamarpukur, and this is the place where Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa was born in the year 1836. The temple was constructed with the help of the devotees, with the involvement of the Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission. This is basically an ancient city, but with gradually the birth of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, and gradually with the advent of his devotees, this became a center of pilgrimage. Gradually, the timings are same. That is from 8 to 11 o'clock and from 3 to 5:30. Huge mango tree over here. It is some close to more than 100 years old, and this was implanted by him. And this muddy hut, this straws all over. So this was his veranda. So you can see it is still intact, maintained by the seva karmis of this institute. They maintain. So this is his veranda, and that is over there, that is his living room. So Ramakrishna used to live over here, and all the way from Belur, Swami Vivekananda used to come over here and take all the knowledge and of wisdom about these earthly happenings. So whatever you know about Ramakrishna Mission and Ramakrishna Mutt, it all started from here, guys. You visit anywhere in West Bengal, you get to eat a variety of sweets. So that's what Bengali is all about. The varieties of sweets. Be it Shaktigor's Langcha, Bardhaman Sitabhog Mihidana, or Kamarpukur's White Bonde. Every place in Bengal has to provide something exquisite and different to each other, with respect to each other. So I have taken this 100 grams of white bonde, which I tasted for the first time in my life. 120 rupees per kg, and you can imagine, you have eaten a lot of these stuffs all over India, guys. You get white bonde only in Kamarpukur in West Bengal. So whenever you are visiting this holy pilgrimage, this should be on your plate, guys.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
Good afternoon, guys. Finally, I have reached Bonalata Resort, and as the name suggests behind, I have just reached. I'll complete my lunch and have a quick glance of this beautiful resort. It has organic vegetables and flowers that are grown, and they are managed by the simple village people with a blend of modern farming techniques. So I'll quickly catch a glimpse of the entire scenario over here and present it to you. So guys, about the stay, these are the rooms which you will get readily available in Bonalata. These are all muddy houses and straw is laid over them, but they are all air conditioned. That's a mixture of tradition and modernization together in Bonalata. So these are king size bedrooms which you are seeing just behind me, and everything you get over here is totally directly connected to nature with a twist of modernization. I am in a room in Bonalata Resort. First of all, I'll show you, everything is muddy, guys. It's purely muddy. And what you are seeing up is the false ceiling. But when I will show you from out, it is totally made of straw. So tradition blended with modernization. That's the beauty of these rooms. This is a huge suite room, double beds, double bathroom, fridge, TV. After completing my lunch, finally it's time for some sweets fresh from the farm, and nonetheless the famous rasgulla. And I have never seen such a huge rasgulla ever in my life. It's so huge. Completed my lunch. It was a fantastic Bengali delicacy that I had after a long time. Everything is homegrown and organic. That's Bonalata for you. That's why tourists all around West Bengal and from outside visit this place. তো দাদা কেমন আপনার এখানে কতদিন ধরে আপনি কাজ করছেন?
আমি এখানে 12-14 বছর কাজ করছি।
আর কেমন আপনার এক্সপেরিয়েন্স, মানে কেমন চলে? সকালে কটা থেকে কাজ করেন? কিরকম শিফট থাকে?
সকাল 8টা থেকে কাজ করি স্যার।
আর কটা অবধি থাকে?
রাত্রি ওই মানে 5:30 নয়, মোটামুটি 6টা মধ্যে থাকতে হয়।
গুড।
6টা।
আর কেমন লাগে, মানে সবাই হেল্পফুল, সবাই মিলেমিশে কাজ করে? আর এখানে আপনি এখানেই থাকেন না আশেপাশে কোথাও থাকেন?
পাশাপাশি থাকি।
গ্রেট। তো Mr. Hare Krishna, whenever you visit Bonalata, just catch of him and tell that you want to have your food from his hands. He will take care of anything which you want, and he really helps you to be a part of Bonalata. Thank you দাদা, দারুণ লাগলো আপনার কোম্পানি, দারুণ ছিল। And when we say about Makar Sankranti for the Bengali traditions, it is about pithe. So pithe is a delicacy of Bengal. If you haven't tasted yet, this is what it is. This is the rice, and that is the machine in which the rice are crushed to a powder, more or less like a powder. And then see, it is being sieved through, and now that will be sun dried. And once it is sun dried, the next step is it is made in the form of a batter, and that is how the pithe is being made. Village women, they are self-dependent, they know how to take care of themselves, and they are making the delicacy of Bengal, that is the pithe. 24 hours it is being made, and they add to the culture of Bengal. You get to see these things on a plate in Bonolata, guys.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Find your way back home.
Rose seedlings, and this is the nursery in which specifically roses are nurtured and taken care, and they are grown. Beautiful flowers that you have seen in the entire video now, they are homegrown, reared and nurtured in this nursery itself. So this is the place where roses are treated and taken care by these people who work hard over here. And you see the rose, they are beautifully nurtured in this season. This is the car that is used for the jungle safari. I just showed you the Jaipur forest while coming to Joyram Bati. This is the Bonolata office where all the bookings and all are managed. So this is the energizer again, the cup of tea in this kullad. This is actually pure, guys. The milk is, it's very pure, and they have heated for quite a long time, and that really adds to the sweetness. No added sugar has been added, that I can understand. And when the tea is added, that really adds to the flavor of this kullad tea. I want everyone to get introduced to the person who made my visit in Bonolata really easy in between this huge crowd. Taposh Kundu ji. Taposh da, thanks a lot. খুব ভালো লাগলো তোমার সাথে ইন্টারঅ্যাক্ট করে। তুমি কত বছর ধরে বনলতায় কানেক্টেড? 8-10 বছর। আর এখানে লোকালাইট তুমি, মানে এখানে যদি কোনো আমার জন্য কেউ যদি চেনাশোনা আসে বা কেউ যদি তোমার কাছে অ্যাপ্রোচ করে, তো তুমি এই জায়গাটা পুরো ঘুরিয়ে দেবে। আর অ্যাবাভ অল তুমি আমাকে এটা বলো যে এইখানে আসা সব থেকে ইজি ওয়ে কি, মানে বাঁকুড়া থেকে কি করে আসতে হবে? বা
বাঁকুড়া থেকে আমরা বাসেও আসা যায়, আর নাহলে সবে বাসটাই ভালো।
বাসটায়। আর এরকম কোনো আছে কি দিনেই আসতে হবে বা রাত্রে আসা অসুবিধা? বা প্রাইভেট কার থাকলে কোনো অসুবিধা? ওকে। আর এইখানে মানে এক কথা যদি বলতে হয় যে আমি বনলতায় কিসের জন্য আসতে হবে, মানে কি একটা এমএসপিটা কি বনলতা, যে আমি এসে কি একটা দেখবো যেটা আমি হয়তো অন্য জায়গায় পাই না, এটা কি বলবো?
এখানে আমাদের সবচেয়ে ভালো যে নিজস্ব উৎপাদিত সবজি আমরা নিজেরা যে উৎপাদন হয় তা আমরা রান্না করে খাওয়াই, প্লাস গরুর দুধ, ছানা, মিষ্টি সবই আমাদের এখানে নিজস্ব প্রোডাক্ট। এগুলো এসে খেতে পারবেন এবং ঘুরেও দেখতে পারবেন।
Guys, he is actually telling the truth, and I have experienced. You get to enjoy the local, traditional, cultural aspects of Bengal, everything in a single plate. And today I had this opportunity to really enjoy everything of them. And he was the person who made it really easy for me. I will share his contact number so that if you ever visit to Bonolata, and you should visit to Bonolata, kindly contact this man, because he will make your life here literally easy, because it's a huge place. You will get lost somewhere. It's a huge place and you need such a quiet, responsible and polite guide who can be there with you, make everything explainable to you, and above all, be the best friend to this place. So everyone over here is very approachable and down to earth. But my personal view is I really enjoyed the company of Taposh Kunduji, আর আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে তোমার সাথে কানেক্ট করে। আর আমার অনেক কলিগস বা ফ্রেন্ডস যারাই থাকবে তোমাকে কন্ট্যাক্ট করবে। টু whoever of you are watching this video, if you visit to Bonolata, just don't forget to contact him and visit here. I'll quickly introduce my family members who are with me today. This is my dad and this is my mom. So yeah, finally getting to connect after a long time and a family trip after like close to 5 years, and it was a great time hanging out with the family. You can see that they are totally tired and exhausted, and we'll quickly hop into the car and go to our destination back home and take rest. But till then, it was a fantastic day. This is your host Abhishek, officially signing off from this channel Bombay Bong. Stay tuned, have a great weekend, take care of your family, bye.